Hey guys, it's Bonnie Gamer 1987 here. We're gonna do a quick little video of my new Ion Putty. So you have to hold the camera. So my mom's actually gonna hold the camera. So I've got the putty right here. I'm gonna take it out of the tin. It's a white putty. Yeah, so here it is. It's a really cool putty. You can just stretch it, break it, and do whatever you want to it. And you can even do this and do that. Of course, there was no noise, so like that. That made noise. So that was a quick little video about my new putty, which I got wrong side. I put it on the wrong side. Stupid me. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Bye.